Hi, this guy is called highest ranked number in an array. What do we have to do? Well, we have to complete the method which returns the number which is most frequent in a given list input. If there is a type for most frequent numbers, then we have to return the largest number among them. Okay, let's go. There are already two methods on top of my head that I want to use. I want to start off with a naive one, and then I want to use a library, which is easier to use. The naive one would be the following: for a number in array and then print the number. And what I want to do is to count the occurrences with the count method, which you can use on a list. So here we have the list, which takes the built-in method .count, and then we put in as the argument the number. As you can see, there are two occurrences of 3 and two occurrences of 4. And then I want to create a new variable. Result is equal to 0. And we have to check for something, whether the amount of occurrences is more than the result. And it will be, especially the first iteration. Of course, we have to use an if statement here. If this condition is met, we do the following. We should replace the result with the assignment operator is with the actual number. What will happen is that the 3 will be added and not the 4, because there are two occurrences of 3 and two occurrences of 4. That means that the 3 will be added, but the 4 won't meet this condition, so it won't be added. When we return the result, you will see that it is 3, yeah, but we have to return the largest number. So in such a case, we have to define a second condition, elif the number, this one, the 4, is more than the result, then we should replace the result by the number. This elif statement will only execute if the first if statement won't execute. And this will be in the case that the 4 will pass by. There we go. So this is the first method. Then the second. For that I want to use the statistics library. So we import it. And from here we do the following. Return statistics, which takes the built-in method multimode. And then we can pass in as the argument the list. And that will return a list of the most frequent integers. But we only have to return 4. Can we use? Well, the max function. This will filter out the max value from the list, and that will return only one integer, 4. Well, I think this will do the trick. Let's test it out. Attempt, and there we go. Hope this has been useful, that you learned something from it. I'll thank you for watching, and hope to see you in another video. Ciao!